Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exciting new entry in the e-reader market, the Kobo Clara Colour. This device promises to bring affordable color display technology to the masses, so let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the design. The Kobo Clara Colour sports a sleek, compact design with up to 85% recycled plastic, which not only feels good but also aligns with eco-conscious consumers. The 6-inch e-ink Kaleido 3 display is sharp and responsive, offering a glare-free experience ideal for extended reading sessions. The Comfort Light Pro feature ensures even lighting across the screen, making it comfortable to read in various lighting conditions. Speaking of the display, it's where the Clara Colour shines quite literally. With support for 4096 colors, Kobo utilizes e-ink technology to display book covers and highlighted text in color. Although colors may appear more muted compared to LCD screens, the clarity and resolution are impressive, especially for a device in this price range. In terms of performance, the Clara Colour doesn't disappoint. Powered by a 2 GHz processor, it handles page turns swiftly and supports a streamlined user interface that's easy to navigate. The home screen organizes your current reads, library, and recommendations neatly, with quick access to settings like brightness and Wi-Fi. Moving on to content support, the Clara Colour handles a variety of file formats, including EPUBs and several image formats. It's worth noting that while it supports Kobo audiobooks, there's no option to sideload audiobooks from other sources due to limited storage and no micro SD slot. For those invested in audiobooks, managing storage might be something to consider. What else does it offer? Well, it's waterproof with an IPX8 rating, making it safe to use near water, perfect for reading by the pool or in the bath. The device also supports overdrive for borrowing ebooks from libraries and features a dark mode that inverts text colors for easier reading at night. Battery life is another strong suit of the Clara Colour, offering decent longevity on a single charge, which is essential for avid readers. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a USB-C port for data transfer and charging, keeping it up to date with modern standards. So, should you buy the Kobo Clara Colour? If you're looking for an affordable entry into color e-readers without compromising on display quality and overall performance, this device is a solid choice. It's perfect for dedicated readers who value portability, durability, and the added bonus of color display. In conclusion, Kobo has delivered a compelling option with the Clara Colour, combining affordability with functionality in a well-designed package. Whether you're upgrading from a monochrome e-reader or entering the e-reader market for the first time, this device offers great value for the price. That wraps up our review of the Kobo Clara Colour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Have you tried the Clara Colour, or do you have any questions? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.